हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं डीएवी स्कूल क्लास 7 सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर 9 रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स समथिंग टू नो ABCDE पार्ट। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पार्ट ए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, डैश reproduce through the process of budding. East. Second, pollen grain are reproduced by dash. Anther. Third, the agents that carry the pollen grain from anther to stigma are called dash pollinators. Fourth, the fusion of male gametes with a female gametes is called dash fertilization. 5. Seeds are orchid that dispersed by dash wind. Part B, write true or false for the following statement. First, yeast reproduce asexually through fragmentation. False. Second, sweet potato and dahlia use their roots for asexual reproduction. True. Third, a unisexual flower has both stamen and pistil in it. False. Fourth, water can be an agent of pollination. True. Fifth, male and female gametes fuse to form the zygote. True. Sixth, seeds of peas and bean plant are formed in pods. True. Part C, tick the correct option. First, Spirogyra reproduce asexually by fragmentation. Second, Bryophyllum reproduce through its leaves. Third, the reproductive part of the plant for sexual reproduction is its flower. Fourth, pollen grain contain the male reproductive cell. Fifth, fruit develop from the ovary. D. Answer the following question in brief. First, name the two types of reproduction in plants. Answer. Two types of reproduction in plants are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Second, define vegetative reproduction. Answer. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which a new plant grows through use of the vegetative parts like root, stem or leaves of the plant. Third, give two examples of plant which reproduce through spore formation. Answer. Two examples of plant which reproduce through spore formation are mosses and ferns. Fourth, name two artificial methods of vegetative propagation from stem. Answer. Two artificial methods of vegetative propagation from stem are grafting and layering. When is a flower said to be a bisexual flower? Answer. A flower is said to be bisexual if it contains both stamen and pistils. 6. Name any three ways by which seeds are dispersed. Answer. Air, water and animal are the three ways by which seeds are dispersed. Part E. Answer the following question. In what ways is vegetative propagation better than sexual reproduction? Answer. Vegetative propagation has a number of advantages over sexual reproduction. The plants produced by this method take less time to grow. They also bear flowers and fruits earlier than the plants produced from seeds. The new plants are exact copies of the parent plant and have the same describable characters as those their parent plant. Second, draw a well level diagram to describe the parts of a flower. यह डायग्राम आपके बुक के पेज नंबर 134 में है, जिसे आप बना लेंगे. Third, how is self pollination different from cross pollination? Answer. Self pollination transfer pollen grain from the anther to stigma of the same flower. This process can take place in the same flower or a different flower or the same plant. On the other hand, cross pollination transfer pollen grain from the anther to stigma of a different flower. This process can take place between two flowers present on different plants. Fourth, how are fruits formed? Answer. After fertilization has taken place in flower, a zygote is formed which divides several times to form an embryo within the ovule. The ovule develops a tough protective coat around itself and is gradually converted into a seed. The ovary begins to grow and forms the fruit. Fifth, why is dispersal of seed necessary for growth of plants? Answer. Dispersal of seed help the plants to spread out and grow in new place, sometimes a long distance away from the parent plant. This is important because if the seeds are not dispersed, a large number of germinating seedlings can grow very close to the parent plant. This will result in competition between all such seedlings as well as the parent plant. The competition is for getting light, space, water, and nutrients. All of these are important for plants to be able to grow and survive. That is why dispersal of seed necessary for ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स। मेरी आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। धन्यवाद।